08, 21, 20, 22. Another Sunday. How many other left in the summertime? Boy, there were a lot of people in line to get over the bridge yesterday to go to Cape Cod. I came back. Ooh, it's dewy. It's foggy, a little misty, and our windows actually had some condensation on them. The temperature cooled to the dew point last night, which isn't that cool. About 68, I think, is the dew point. What a gorgeous Sunday morning. The boats are pointed toward the southwest. There's a little bit of a breeze out there. Not much here. And we have some fog inland. You can still see, whenever I went skiing and there was fog, I always said, fog is future snow. How about now? Fog is future rain. There is rain in the forecast. And the guidance has anywhere from, let's see if I can do this in condensation. 0. Oh, the condensation's on the bottom. 0. Anyhow, there's water, Rex. There's water. The guidance says anywhere from 0 to 3 or 4 inches. Yeah, that's the bottom line. There are numerous types of guidance. First, would you like to look at the birds and the bees, or just the bees and the sunflowers? How can I not share this? It's so pretty. I don't see any birds. There's all kinds of different guidance, right? We have the Euro model that comes out of Europe, UK model comes out of the United Kingdom, and then in North America, we get the National Center for Environmental Prediction that run a number of models. The global model, the Global Forecasting System, that's the GFS, has about 3/4 of an inch of rain near Boston coming up in the next couple of days. But let's go to the Global Forecast Ensemble model. It's called the system, actually, GEFS. Has a widespread 1/4 to 1/2 in eastern New England, a 1/2 to 1.5 in western New England. What we have is a warm front to our south. High pressure is going off to the east. So here are the maps day by day. I showed you the precipitation forecast. Now we're rewinding and going by a warm front on our doorstep tonight. Rain is all around. There's a slight chance we get a couple of showers or thunderstorms, not as much as yesterday. And I should show yesterday's map too, shouldn't I? And then that front really closes in with a wave of low pressure on a warm front. This is usually where we get our best snow in the wintertime. It often offers surprises. And then in the summertime, often you see some heavy thunderstorms along these warm fronts. And that's the potential for Monday afternoon. There's Monday evening and Tuesday morning. You can see some darker green and some red shading. So thunderstorms are possible. The dew point today is actually going to fall into the 50s with a temperature close to 90. If we hit 90, that'll be a heat wave. Boston, 92 2 days ago, 90 yesterday. A little bit warmer than I thought it was going to be, but it was a tough day yesterday working in that heat on Cape Cod. Rainfall yesterday. I got home from the pretty much hell day of working, and there was a beautiful thunderhead on the horizon. Maynard checks in with 1.2 inches of rain yesterday. That's on our Cocoa Raws. There's the radar imprint, and it looks like somebody south of Worcester got 1 to 2 inches. So a couple of winners in the rainfall lottery yesterday. And that may happen again today in Vermont and New Hampshire, but overall I think it's a really nice day. The temperature in the 80s, dew point falls into the 50s, wind out of the south and then southeast, 10 to 20 miles per hour. The dew point slowly comes back up through the 60s as rain off and on develops tomorrow and continues heavy at times tomorrow night into Tuesday, with the dew point coming back up into the 70s Tuesday. And then it turns into a nice vacation week for all of you that were waiting in that 2 to 3 mile line to get over the bridge yesterday. I wanted to talk about a lot more, but I just go through the time so quickly here. So some impressions from yesterday in my neighborhood. Denise and Steve have this beautiful bird feeder. The birds were loving that. And there was a little bunny on the other side of the fence. And then I got home to this big shower, rain shower on my doorstep that just kind of sat there and evaporated. Oh yeah, there's one more thing I wanted to talk about. I forgot. For you, Linda, the North America Mesoscale Forecast System, otherwise known as the NAM. It's a much higher computing power, and it tries to go to a smaller scale, grid scale, and it has 1 to 4 inches of rainfall in your neighborhood in northern Worcester County. I hope your fields don't flood. chuckle, chuckle, chuckle. Anyhow, wishing you the best anyway on this Sunday beauty. What a day. Totally sunny on Cape Cod. There is no more room on Cape Cod. Don't go there. I just got back. Look at the sun trying to peek through that little hole. Somebody's winning the rainfall lottery today. A couple of downpours over there. Looks like right over Needham or so right now. The top's blowing right off over our head. Maybe it'll rain on our desert.